Ever struggled with dead batteries on your RV trip? Camping off-grid but worried about losing power? Tired of heavy, bulky solar panels? Frustrated by complicated installations and limited space? Traditional panels are heavy and hard to mount. They don't fit curved surfaces on boats or trailers. Dragging them around is exhausting. Setting up takes forever and tools everywhere. And when you finally get power, it's not enough. What if there was a smarter way? Meet the Xinpuguang Flexible Solar Panel 100W Kit. High efficiency up to 23% conversion rate. Smaller, lighter, and ultra-portable. Weighs just 4 pounds, 70% lighter than regular panels. Super thin at only 0.1 inches. Flexible design bends up to 250 degrees. Mount easily on any curved or irregular surface. Perfect for RVs, boats, cabins, tents, and cars. No need for flat roofs or extra supports. Installation is quick. Use grommets, silicone, or tape. Extension cables included for easy connection. 10A charge controller protects your devices. Bypass diode prevents power drops in shade. Overcurrent and reverse protection for safety. Now imagine your old setup. Heavy panels, tough to lift and move. Struggling to fit them on your curved roof. Spending hours on difficult installation. Still worried about power output. Now picture the Xinpuguang panel. Lift it with one hand, so light. Easily curves over your RV or boat. Mounts in minutes, no special tools needed. Instant reliable power wherever you go. No more worrying about cloudy days. No more struggling with heavy equipment. Enjoy freedom to explore remote places. Stay powered in mountains, deserts, or on the water. Charge your devices, lights, and appliances easily. Travel lighter and smarter every trip. No more sacrificing comfort for adventure. No more running out of battery at night. No more complicated wiring nightmares. Just simple, efficient solar power. The flexible panel fits your lifestyle. Whether you're an RV owner or boat user, or you love camping in remote cabins, or you want backup power for emergencies, this panel makes sense for every adventure. It's practical, reliable, and easy to use. No more guessing if you'll have power. No more worrying about weight limits. No more missing out on comfort. Just mount, connect, and enjoy electricity. Let sunlight do the work for you. The Xinpuguang kit is built for real life. It's made for the outdoors, just like you. Take it anywhere, mountains, lakes, or highways. Don't let power problems hold you back. Upgrade your adventure with smart solar technology. Lightweight, flexible, powerful. Everything you need. Save time, save effort, and stay connected. Enjoy the freedom to roam off-grid. Make every trip more comfortable and safe. Experience the difference of high efficiency. Get more power from every ray of sunlight. Trust the Xinpuguang Flexible Solar Panel Kit. Ready to make your next adventure worry-free? Click now to get yours and power up anywhere. Adventure smarter with Xinpuguang, your portable power solution.